In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a favicon in Canva for Squarespace website. A favicon is that tiny icon you see in a browser tab next to your site title. It helps people recognize your brand at a glance and makes your site look polished and professional. For Squarespace, the favicon should be a PNG file, and the recommended size is between 100 by 100 pixels and 300 by 300 pixels. We'll design at 300 by 300 for maximum clarity, and Squarespace will handle the rest. Start on your Canva dashboard. At the top left, click Create. From the options that appear, select Custom Size. Set the width to 300 pixels and the height to 300 pixels, then click Create to open your new canvas. Now, design your favicon. Keep it simple and bold. Tiny details can disappear at tab size, so think in terms of a strong initial, a clean symbol, or a simplified version of your logo. Use your brand colors, aim for high contrast, and center your design with a bit of breathing room around the edges. If your logo looks better without a background, that's perfectly fine. PNG supports transparency, which is ideal for clean edges and a modern look. Test different font weights or shapes within this one canvas until it feels unmistakably you, even when it's small. When you're happy with it, go to the top right and click Share. Then click Download, and in the File Format menu, select PNG. PNG is recommended for Squarespace and keeps edges crisp while allowing transparency. Download the file to a place you can easily find. Next, head to your Squarespace site. At the top left, click the search icon. In the search bar, type Favicon and select the favicon option that appears. You'll see a place to add your browser icon. Click the plus icon to upload, then choose the PNG file you just created and download it from Canva. Squarespace will take it from there and display the favicon across your site's tabs and bookmarks. And there you go. That's all. Your new favicon is live. If you don't see it update right away, don't worry. Browsers sometimes cache the old icon, so it can take a little time to refresh. The key is that you followed the correct format and size, kept the design clean and brand aligned, and uploaded it in the right place. With that, your site immediately feels more cohesive and recognizable.